Hi guys, I'm playing Subway Surfers today, and this is might be a, I don't know, boring day. Cause I'm downloading Roblox. I'm gonna do a video, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Complete the weekly hunt to win cool prizes. Okay. So I'm gonna make a video for Roblox video today, and I failed trying to make one before, but it's been a fail. So I'm gonna do a game that doesn't actually do parkour because I keep lagging when I do parkour. So let's do England, whatever it is. Complete the hunt to win prizes. I keep reading on this. Loading. Hurry up. But how many? My brother keeps jumping on me. Oh, whoa. What? Already? Okay. So, I'm gonna do this. So, wait, another jumping room? Okay, let's do it. As you see, somebody took Ariana's phone, and I should give up on this. I don't know. It's really hard. It's very hard because my baby brother. Oh my god! He's biting me! Are you savage? Savage, I tell you, savage! He's biting me, jumping on me! What? You gotta be kidding me! What? Oh man! This feels so painful. I feel the pain. He bit me! He freaking bit me! He seriously bit me. He just bit me. Okay. So I wish I had hoverboard. It'd be so long. Fire! I got more. Yeah, make it longer. To full power. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm starting to... Ouch! Stop! God, John keeps jumping on me! Such crazy! So crazy! Oh my goodness! What in the world is wrong with that baby? If he comes into this room and jump on me and bite me, I swear I'm gonna stop recording. Cause I'm gonna go crazy. Oh God, that was mean. That was the worst. The worst. The worst, I tell you. The worst. The worst. The worst. Whoa. Come at me, bro. Oh. Okay, I might stay on here for a while. Or not. Who knows? Maybe that's enough. What? Oh god, I'm freaking stop recording.